first day of my college for this semester. I'm not a morning person, so I don't feel like waking up in the morning and getting ready. I'm all set to go, so I'll quickly be taking you to my college and I'll give you a quick tour. So let's go. So it was just 2 minutes away. My bus stop is just 2 minutes away from my home. But see what's happening. I'll show you how is the weather in Calgary today, because it's unpredictable. Always has always been unpredictable. See, it's raining, and but you can't see the people waiting for their bus. So even So the moment you get down at City Hall Station, that's where you'll find Bowali College. That's the south campus of Bowali College. So if in case somebody has got a class in North Campus, don't you worry about it. The North Campus is right across the South Campus. It's right across the street where South Campus is. So you just need to head towards South Campus. So now I entered my college, and on the right hand side you can find Tim Hortons. It's really good for the students who are coming to Canada because it's quite convenient and economical. And then when you go straight, that's where you can find Relays and the Welcome Center of Bowali College. This is the Student Association Bowali College office, wherein you can get some help as an international student if in case you're having any issues or you have any doubts. And then it was our orientation day, so we had some coffee, which was again organized by students of Bowali College. And this is our cafeteria, where students can study, they can eat, and they can spend some time. This was the view from my class, and I literally love this view. And this is my class and my instructor. There is a bookstore in college itself wherein you can find some books associated to your courses, and you can get them free of cost and for the entire term that you're studying. So this is the City Hall station wherein you need to get down, and that's the college south entrance. So now I'm back to office, and so that was my college tour. And if you really like my vlog, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section so that I can share more information with you here in Calgary.